Hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix failed to connect to the server, failed to decode packets. So all you have to do is just go to your launcher and then make sure that your name doesn't contain any spaces or it is too long for launcher. For example, say like this. This name will be invalid and it will show you this error. So all you have to do is just to make it simple and very short and then save it. And then if this still doesn't work for you, just go here to the search bar and then search for network connection. I have it here. Select the network provider for you. It's my Wi-Fi and then go to properties just by right clicking on them and then select properties. Search for protocol internet version 4, TCP IPv4 and then select this option. Use the following DNS server address. Type 1 1 1 and then 1 and here type 1 0 0 and 1. And then click OK and restart your PC, and I hope this will fix your problem. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.